In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new lines in Google Forms for different types of questions. Whether you're a teacher setting up a quiz or a business creating a customer feedback form, knowing how to format your questions effectively can make a big difference in how respondents engage with your survey. To get started, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. Once you're there, either open an existing form you want to work on, or create a new one by clicking on the big, colorful plus icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Google Forms is a wonderful tool for creating surveys and quizzes, and it's free and easy to use. The platform's versatile features allow you to tailor the form to meet your specific needs, and adding a new line in questions can help with clarity and organization. Once your form is open, you'll see a menu on the right-hand side where you can add different types of questions, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answers. Depending on the kind of question you want, place the cursor where you want to insert a new line. Then, simply press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard if you're on a more descriptive question type, like a paragraph or short answer. For other types, like multiple choice or drop-down options, hitting Enter will create a new option. When utilizing the paragraph answer type, you can write multiple lines because this option allows respondents to write longer, more detailed responses. This is particularly useful when you're asking open-ended questions that need a bit more explanation. On the other hand, a short answer type is perfect for capturing brief responses, like names or email addresses, and while it doesn't inherently support multiple lines, it's straightforward for singular inputs. It's important to understand how the formatting will appear to respondents as well. Using preview mode, which you can access in the top right of the screen, gives you an exact sense of what the respondent will see. This helps ensure your formatting looks clean and is easy to read, which is especially important for improving user experience and ensuring higher quality responses. Additionally, for visual appeal and clarity, consider utilizing other tools within the form, such as section breaks or images, which can provide context or assistance with your questions. Proper formatting and order presentation can significantly influence how participants perceive and complete the form. Once you're satisfied with your form updates, don't forget to save your progress. Either share and send your form via the Send button to gather responses, or save it to continue editing later. With Google Forms, you can always revisit and refine your forms as necessary. That wraps up our guide today. By mastering these simple steps to insert new lines in different types of Google Form questions, you can create more flexible and effective forms. I hope you found these tips useful. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more small yet handy tips on using Google tools. Thank you for watching.